name is Aiden, and today we're going to be unboxing these Autobots Transformers. And also that here's the box for this one, and this one, and this one. So let's start unboxing this one. It's a Jeep. Oh, and also look at the back. All of this looks like all the stuff that you can transform it to a Jeep. And there's a little gun on top that you can attach. So let's start opening it. Okay, so how do we do this? Oh, I think I got it. Yep, I got it. I know how to do it. I think I know how to do it. I hope I know how to do it. Oh, did something wrong. Of course I did something wrong. I do almost everything wrong. And there we go. And then, how do you do this? It's really hard. How do you do this? I need some help.
And look at the instructions on the back.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so, oh. So I have to redo this.
Show it when it's like that and then the other way.
Yep, that's what I was going to do. This is how it is when it's a robot. I think these are the hands when it's a robot.
Let me see.
Look, these are hands, I think. And these are the legs. Now we have to do something like this, and then like this. And I think like this we have to do it. Oh no. There's something wrong again. Oh yeah. Forgot about, oh no. Okay, so we'll have to do this last because I won't get this one. We'll do this one in another video, okay? So now let's start with the Bumblebee. No, let's start with this one.
Okay, show the box.
I don't know what his name is, but I'm just gonna call him a name.
Okay, show the toy.
The toy, it transforms. I think I know how to transform it. And there we go.
Done? Let me see.
It's a truck. So look, it goes like this first, and then there we go. Now let's start with the Bumblebee. Woo! Oh, and also we'll be doing this one in another video. I can't wait until this one. It's gonna be tomorrow. Don't tell anyone. Ooh, Bumblebee to me. Ooh, I think I know how to do it now. Oh, yep. This one transform into, what does this one transform into?
A mini car.
Oh yeah, a mini car. So this is how the mini car looks. You have to do something. Oh yeah, you have to do this. There we go, now it's a mini car. Now you can play with it every day. It's really fun. So we'll put a link into the description, and see you next time. Bye.